Welcome back to the channel. Boiler explosion causes and prevention. A critical review of maritime safety, the causes and prevention of marine boiler explosions. While technology and regulations have drastically reduced their frequency, the potential for catastrophe remains. A boiler explosion is a violent failure caused by the sudden rupture of the pressure vessel, releasing vast amounts of stored thermal and pressure energy. Understanding the two primary failure modes, overpressure and overheating, is key to prevention. Overpressure failure occurs when the internal steam pressure exceeds the mechanical limits of the boiler shell or tubes. The sole defense against this is the safety valve. An explosion from overpressure usually means the safety valves failed to lift at their designated set pressure. Common reasons for this failure include corrosion or physical seizing due to neglect, unauthorized adjustment or over-tightening of the spring compression screw, or blockages in the steam passages leading to the valve itself. Prevention is straightforward yet demanding. Safety valves must be regularly tested, sealed, and certified by a classification society surveyor. Furthermore, their relieving capacity must always be greater than the maximum steam generation rate of the boiler. The most frequent cause of catastrophic failure is overheating, which is often linked to low water level. If the water level drops below the minimum safe level, exposing the furnace crown or main tube banks, the steel surfaces are no longer cooled by water. They rapidly overheat, lose mechanical strength, and begin to distort. If fresh feed water is then introduced onto the hot, weakened metal, it instantly flashes into steam, creating a massive sudden pressure surge that ruptures the metal. Prevention relies entirely on vigilant level control. This means mandatory daily testing of the low water alarm and shutdown devices to ensure they reliably cut out the burner and sound the alarm, strict monitoring of the water level gauges by watch-keeping engineers, and maintaining excellent water quality to prevent internal scale formation. Internal scale is another form of overheating. Hard mineral deposits on the water side of the tubes act as a thermal insulator. The metal underneath the scale overheats, bulges, and eventually ruptures. Prevention here involves rigorous water treatment chemistry, correct dosing of oxygen scavengers and scale inhibitors, and scheduled chemical or mechanical cleaning. Finally, furnace explosions can occur due to an accumulation of unburnt fuel vapor during an ignition failure. Prevention requires strict adherence to the purging cycle before ignition. In summary, boiler safety is a continuous cycle of testing, monitoring, and maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.